Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about the seventh segment. The seventh segment being this little thing. It's an amazing thing, it's a display thing. Whatever you want to do with it, that's on you. I'm just going to show you how to light it, né? Using a dip switch. So you can see these little lights over there. Those are segments. Now we have to name them in order to know how this thing works. That's why we have this diagram here. We have the first one being A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So we can come here again. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, and G in the middle. So we go around and in the middle. Yeah? So here's a little summary of what we're doing. To turn it on, we're going to use the number 1. To turn it off, we're going to use a dash. Okay? Now when we get to the kaughnah maps, we're going to have something called a don't care. We're just going to put it as an X. Alright? Good. So here we go. We have a truth table, né? That's the first on the list. This is a truth table. Then we have kaughnah maps. These are kaughnah maps. So the truth table, we have the first being the digit itself from 1 till 9. Now we also have them in binary in red there, okay? So A stands for the appearance of how it will appear on the 7th segment. Né? Then these are the segments we have A, B up until G, okay? Simple enough. So here we go. For the truth table, for the appearance of 0, we have something like this, right? And then for the number 1, we have something like this. For the number 2, we have something like this. Number 3, something like that. Number 4, something like that. Number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9, right? You see how those are very similar, right? That's how it's going to appear on the 7th segment. Now we go and start for the segment A, this one here. When does it light? Okay, it's always lighting. It's lighting here, which means it's the 1. It's not lighting here. It's lighting there. It's lighting there. Not lighting there. It's lighting there. Lighting there. Lighting there. There and there. All right. Simple enough, right? Then we have B. B being this one over here. B, it's lighting there, lighting there, lighting there, there, there. It's off here. It's also off on 6. It's there, there, and there, right? So then we have C. C being this one over here, okay? It's on there, it's off here, then on. Oh, all of them. Yeah, that was nice. D is the one beneath the lower one. It's on here. It's off here. It's on. Off at 4. 5, 6, off at 7. On at 8, off at 9. Okay, this was the first of the complicated ones. So I'm going to have to remove this for now. Take it off. Alright. Now we're going for E. E being this one. Now E is on here. It's off here. It's on, off, on, off, on, off. Whew. Then we go for F. F is this one here. It's on. Now for 1, F is off, on, off, on, and on. Now this is the last one, G, the middle one. This is very simple. This is probably where you're going to see like the change for 0 because it's the only one that's off. Yeah? It's off. It's on here, there, there. Oh yeah, that's about it. It's only off for these two, 0 and 1. So this is the truth table of the 7th segment. Alright, so working on the kaughnah maps. I already did this one. This is for the segment of A, but I'm going to cross-reference to it and show you that it's actually like this and do it with you for how we put all of these random things here. But these aren't random actually. Remember I told you that 1 means that we're turning it on, and a dash means that we're turning it off. Then a don't care is the next. Now let me explain to you what we mean by don't care. By don't care, we mean a number that does not exist on the truth table and cannot be displayed on a 7th segment. Now, of course, that's going to be numbers above 9 because 9 is going to look like this. Okay. Now the number 10, so 10 and above doesn't work. That means that all of these are don't cares. Okay, those are don't cares automatically for everything. I can show like any other segment. These all do not exist. These are numbers that you cannot physically display on a 7th segment. Now let's see an easy way how to do this. We can have A and then I'll show you how to do B as well. Okay, and then the rest you guys can do for yourselves. But if you guys encounter any problems, I can do a video on how to do the kaughnah maps itself. Okay, so for A we have this column. We're going to display this onto here. Now the easy way to do this is to look at the ones that don't light, né, for the segment of A, because those are the ones which are less. So we're looking at something like 4 and 1. Those are the ones which are off. So we go to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, off. The number 4 is 0, 1, 0, 0. That is off. Okay. Then anything else, any other number, it's on. As long as it's not these two, any other, we write 1 because it's on. Okay. So we have that. When you have that, now we have to go to B. Okay, B. We do the same thing. We did the don't cares. Now we have to find the numbers that are off. So for B, it's 5 and 6. The number 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. It's off. Number 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. It's off. Everything else, it's on. This is very simple, really. This is very, very simple. Now, let's find the equation of A, okay? So here's how we find it. We're going to do what we call mapping. Mapping, that's what it's called, a kaughnah map, okay? Like, obvious. But all right. We map in an order of 2, 4, and 8. because 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. I don't know why they don't put 6. I don't question it. So let's do A. A, we actually have the 4 corners here to do 4. Okay, we have that, and then we have this whole thing as an 8 this side, and this whole one this side, and then we have this one left. So we can't take the 6. Remember, we can't take 6. We can only take 2 or 4. So we take the bigger one, which is 4. Okay, so that's how we group on that one. So let's find the equations. Let's do the corners first. That's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then we have 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 0, 1, 0, and then 1, 1, wait, 1, 0, 1, 0. So the ones that do change are B and D. Those are the ones that don't change. Now, because they're zeros, it means that it defies the whole thing we're doing here. We're trying to light it. So in order to light it, we're going to have to do complement. B, D. So we have B, D, complement. Okay? Now let's do another one. Let's do the one in the middle. Let's start from the small ones and go to the big ones. Now that's 0, 1. Then we have 1, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now which ones change and which ones don't? We take the ones that don't change. This is B. That is D. Oh, it's just the inverse of that one. Okay. B, D. Then let's take the big ones. Let's start with this one. Okay. This is going to be 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So we try to look. A doesn't change. Okay. The rest of them change eventually. So it's just A. This plus A. I'm going to use a pen on this one. Okay. It's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then we say 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Then we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Which ones do we have? Okay, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. So A changes, B changes, C doesn't change. So we have a plus C. So this is the equation of A. Okay, so this is how B would turn out if you mapped it. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you need any tutorial on the kaughnah maps, we can do that for the whole thing, but to keep this video short, like purposeful, we're gonna do A. We showed how to do A. B, we kaughnah mapped it. We didn't do the equation, but that's fine. I'll do another video on the kaughnah maps. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.